All right, another day and another outlook here on the Nasdaq. As we always start off on today, I'm still basically in the same mindset that I was on yesterday, where yesterday we did get a big dump at the New York Open, and I took a short, which played out beautifully. I took a short off of this London high swing failure pattern, which I outlined yesterday. I thought we were going to finally get a breakout and hold to the downside, but as you can see, we've actually had another 4 hour swing failure pattern and a bullish one this time. So that I'm still in the same mindset that I was yesterday, where I'm not certain on the direction of Nasdaq. We're just in a range right now, which means today will be the exact same as yesterday, where I've drawn out swing points. We've actually already had a bearish swing failure pattern in pre-market, but for me, going into New York, I've drawn out my hourly swing points, and then if we get a strong rejection of a bullish swing point or a bearish one, then I'll get into a trade on the opposite direction like I did yesterday, because there's no clear direction over the last few days. And because we've seen a bullish swing failure pattern at the lows, one could expect that we might see some higher pricing. The only thing which makes me think differently to that is that ES is showing a little bit more bearish. You can see we did get a 4 hour swing failure pattern again, but we haven't retraced nearly as much, and we've also got a bearish SMT on the hourly time frame. However, same rules apply as yesterday. Draw my levels out, and we're going to wait to see if we get a swing failure pattern either way, and then that will be my trade if I take any on the US indices. However, gold is looking good. I also took a long yesterday. I took a buy from this 1 hour fair value gap, which I outlined as well. We had a 5 minute inverse off of it, and that's where I positioned myself yesterday. In this, we had an inverse in this leg down here, and that's where I got in and along yesterday. So that was two nice wins. So I'm pretty happy already for the week. We have had a swing failure possible on gold where we've had this Asia low get run out. So if we get a strong bullish candle closure, then I'll be looking to get in on a gold long, but I'm not going to rush into it. I'm going to wait for the market to tell me what's going to be happening. So that will be my primary focus for this New York session. But equally, I'm very much aware that we do have a potential opportunity for this 4 hour swing low to get liquidated on gold. Doesn't always happen on gold. Sometimes gold will just keep flying and flying and flying and never really come back. However, that is something I'm aware of, which is why I'm definitely waiting for some confirmation that we are going to go bullish again. On the euro, I've got nothing really. There's not really been a lot of entries in New York session over the last couple of weeks on euro. I'm just looking at shorts. I've got no interest in short-term buys. I'm still looking for this daily liquidity low to get taken out. On the 4 hour, we've maintained that 4 hour swing failure pattern from yesterday, and we've just been going down nicely. Again, another opportunity where you could have gone short from London in London session from the Asia high, so similar to yesterday as well. But me not trading London session means I don't get into those. But otherwise, if we do get an opportunity where we take out any of these descending highs, swing failure pattern, I can get in a short the other way. So nothing concrete for me at my outlook. That's all I have to say. Stuck to what I did yesterday, stuck to what I thought might happen in terms of waiting for a swing failure in either direction, and I stuck to that and I made some nice money. So that's exactly what I'll be doing today, reacting rather than predicting, because in a ranging market, how can you predict? So hopefully we stick to that. Feeling good already, feeling confident for the week, so I don't need to rush into anything too much. Drawing out my levels, see if we get reactions off of them. If not, then we're going to sit on our hands. And well, I wish you all a good trading day.